So this is a mild sedative. With this whole class I'm talking about now, sedative herbs, you have to find out for yourself how sleepy they're going to make you. So this class of herbs, the sedative herbs, especially the milder sedatives, are appropriate either for daytime use or for evening use. And they can just help a person relax during the day and help a person relax in the evening and prepare them to go into a better sleep that night. The herb we have here, this is catnip. This is in the mint family. And catnip is a nice kind of mild sedative. You can take it as a tincture. Half a cup of the tea usually works more reliably. This is a nice gentle sedative. It's good for children. But for adults in a state of sleep debt, this is useful as a beverage tea during the day. Another herb in this category is lavender. And lavender works nicely as a tea. About a half a cup of the tea has a nice sedative effect. The tincture can get pretty expensive. You need a little bit higher doses of the tincture in order to have the sedative effect. But a person can find the dose that's appropriate to them. It's important when taking medicinal teas to get celestial seasonings thinking out of your mind, right? With beverage teas, people usually think, well, I'm going to put one tea bag in the cup and I'm going to drink the whole cup. With medicinal herbs, you usually want to put more herb in there than one tea bag, and you usually want to drink less than 1 cup. So the best strategy drinking herbal sedative teas is to say, drink a 1/4 cup and see what the effect is, and then save the rest of the cup for some more doses. Sometimes 1 cup of a nice, well-made, strong sedative tea is enough to get you through the whole day. You would take a 1/4 cup 4 times a day, and it helps keep you relaxed while you're at work or during the day, or in the early evening when you're trying to relax and get ready to go to bed. Some other herbs in this class, milder sedatives that taken in smaller doses are just taken until you first feel the effect. Rather than trying to knock yourself out, they can help you relax during the day. Some other herbs, chamomile is very well known. I could say the best way to make a chamomile tea, though, is not just to take a chamomile tea bag. That doesn't have much medicinal effect. Best way to make a chamomile tea is we get a quart canning jar and fill it 1/3 of the way with chamomile flowers, and then fill it up with boiling water, and then close the top on it. And now you need to go get a pot holder or a towel, because that jar will be hot. But you take the hot jar with a pot holder or a towel, and then you shake it up, being careful not to burn yourself. And then you let it cool to room temperature. And that'll make a very, very nice, strong chamomile tea. And just about a shot glass of that, 1 or 2 ounces of that, will have a nice relaxing sedative effect without also making you go to sleep. With some other herbs, we have a lemon balm. Lemon balm is a really wonderful relaxing herb. There was a medieval herbalist, Hildegard von Bingen, in Central Europe, and she wrote about lemon balm, and she said, lemon balm has within it the properties of 12 other herbs, right? And it has a very broad use. It can be used, say, for a headache, or for heart palpitations, or for a fever, or for delayed menses, for digestion, and any number of broad number of uses. And then when she wrote, she says, and the reason it will work for any of those conditions where nervous tension is underlying the problem. So that's a headache with nervous tension, heart palpitations with nervous tension, delayed menses, PMS with nervous tension, etc. And lemon balm, and it's very nice tasting. It's a lemony flavored tea, and very kind of uplifts your mood. When you drink some lemon balm, it's kind of like drinking a little bit of sunshine, and the sunshine comes into your heart.